So I want to thank you guys. I really do want to thank you guys for jumping in and helping me out on that one. I really do appreciate it. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And hello, newbies. That's anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe not. It really doesn't matter. We really don't count around here. We really don't. I just want my subbies and my newbies to unite, grab hands, and come on in. Okay, so today we have a quickie. I have a product update and I have an announcement. It's not a big deal, but I just want to keep everyone informed, because you know how we like to keep everyone informed around here, because we like to share news and all that good stuff. So we're going to jump right into it. So first of all, you guys know, for all those who are initiated, who came to class last week, I got a Warden Comb. I got it so that I can sort of get rid of the static in my hair that's been building up from time to time. And a lot of you guys, I got a lot of good responses as far as the comb and what to do with it. Because when I was using it, it seemed like it was controlling the static. And then at some point on one side of my hair, it wasn't doing too much. So a lot of you guys, I guess you guys are already, familiar. You guys told me to oil the comb, okay? Oil the comb. And as I oil the comb and sort of season it, just like a cast iron skillet, you want to make sure the pan is oiled up or seasoned before using, okay? That leads to, better cooking results. Well, same thing with this comb. And that made a lot of sense. So I want to thank everyone for your suggestions, as far as you guys suggested using olive oil. And I was thinking, well, maybe I'll just use a serum, because that's what I normally use on my hair. But it turns out that the more that I used it, and I'm combing my hair or whatever, my natural oils are naturally seasoning the comb, if you will. And so I really haven't had any issues. So anyway, I want to thank everybody, because I have been successfully using the comb since we last spoke about it. And I do like it. I really do like it. So yeah, I'm very happy. And again, thank you to all of y'all that have just jumped right in. See, I like that. I like how we help each other. Y'all saw that I was sort of like, what's going on? And y'all told me what was going on. And I really do appreciate that. So that is number one. Okay, so update number 2, honey. I've been working on the color thing. I told you, for all those who are not initiated, I am looking into getting some color in my hair. Nothing harsh, okay, because I am relaxed. And we know that you don't want to deal with more than one chemical in your hair, because you want to keep the integrity of your hair and the health of your hair, intact. So I'm looking into color. And I would like to go a little lighter. So I am looking at 2 different things right now, and possibly a third, and then I'm going to narrow it down. I'm going to be looking at Clairol. I think it's called the Beautiful Collection. I used it before with great results, never had an issue. Now, before, when I used it, I wasn't necessarily trying to cover any gray or anything like that. I was just using that to, enhance my hair and have a little bit of fun. A little bit of fun with some color. But this time around, the objective is to sort of blend the grays that are popping up on my head. Again, I don't really have a huge issue with it, but I'd like to play. I think it's a good time to play around with some color. So I'm looking into going back to that Clairol Beautiful Collection. And one of you guys, and you know who you are, you also suggested a semi-permanent from Clairol as well. And it didn't really click to me when you first suggested it, because you also said Clairol Beautiful. But this one is specifically for grays. And it's called the Advanced Gray Solution. So with that claim, I'm hoping between the two, depending on which one I choose, this one sounds like it's about that work. So with that being said, I'm looking between those two. And maybe I'll do a combination thereof, because you can mix colors. You can sort of, enhance one and sort of, tint one with the other. I don't want to do too much. But I may do that particular one, being that that's sort of my focus this time around. So I had to give you guys an update about that I appreciate yet again the suggestion as far as the color is concerned. And again, it's a semi-permanent. We're not doing nothing permanent. We're not lifting and bleaching and all that good stuff, because we are trying to get to our goals, our final goals. So we don't need nothing sabotaging our goals. So in the meantime, we can have a little bit of fun. So I had to come in here and tell the congregation that I am close to picking that up as far as one of those colors. And of course, I'm going to show you how I use it and the outcome of that particular shade or selection. So that will be upcoming, and I will let you know. Okay, so for this final announcement, I told you this was going to be quick. I've done some thinking, and I have decided that for the next week or so, that I will not be using heat in my hair. Yes, I have decided that I am not going to use heat in my hair. Let me just explain. Nothing is wrong with my hair. So for all those who are anti-heat and just been waiting, just like, oh, I knew I'd get her. I knew it. There's nothing wrong with my hair with regard to heat. It's not damaged. It's not burned off. It's not, as you can see, it's not burned off. Nothing's happened. Nothing's been singed. Nothing of the sort. Summertime is here and it's getting a little hot. Not that I've ever had an issue with that before, but I've just been thinking, you know what, just to change it up a little bit, just to change it up on y'all. I decided that I was going to go heatless. Now, when I say heatless, I'm still got to use a blow dryer. I'm sorry, I cannot cut out heat 100%. I got to blow dry with heat, because air drying for me, air drying does not work. It just doesn't. You guys already know the story. My hair feels like straw, like shredded wheat, like hay. It's like the Sahara. No, snap, crackling, and popping. I think you get the point. So anyway, it feels very dry. Don't feel good. So with that being said, I have to blow dry my hair. But after blow drying my hair, I'm not going to touch my flat iron. Yes, my beloved flat iron. Don't mind the little bunny. I just like to cover it. I like to take care of my stuff. So I put a little bunny. It's actually a sock, but I put it on there so it, nothing messes with my iron. But yes, my beloved iron. I am going to pack it away for at least a week. And we are going to do heatless for, I wanted to do 2 weeks. The goal was 2 weeks, but I think we're going to do 1, because I think the next time that we speak is going to be a length check. And for the length check, I think I should have my hair flat ironed. That way you guys can see the length. That makes sense. So with that being said, I'm going to do a week. So I'll show you what I do. And it's not going to be a huge deal, but I guess kind of it is, because I use heat in my hair, and I'd have no problem with heat, but we're going to zip you on up flat iron. This is the case that it came in, except for the bunny. And we're going to put my iron away. I'll be back soon, okay? Don't worry. I know you're going to miss me. I'm going to miss you too. So we're going to put it away for about a week. And I'm going to style my hair without using any flat iron or whatever, which I've kind of done before. So we're going to play by ear. Now, the only problem will probably be my bangs, but we'll figure it out. I've had bangs for a long time, and I have done heatless styles. I have before, long time ago. But yes. That's what we're going to do. So I figured I'd come in here. I was going to do it today, actually, but time got away from me. So I'm, just bear with me, guys. Time got away from me, and it's a lot going on. So anyway, I had to give an update about that. And then the color, honey, I've been looking at the color for a little bit. So I had to tell y'all about that because I'm getting a little closer with that. Now, as far as the last one, honey, that even took me as a surprise. I was like, what am I talking about? I'm going to do Heatless? I said, yes, I'm going to do Heatless. Why are you going to do Heatless? Why not? Because it's summertime, it's hot, and why not? You know what? You got a point that I know I do. Girl, why are you getting sassy? Why are you getting sassy? So that was kind of the conversation that went up in my head. So I just had to share that with all of you. Yes, Dolce is going to go no heat for at least a week. Okay. So we're gonna have a little fun with that. And I'm gonna show and tell, my little simple style or whatever. So we got that on the horizon. We got that on the program of coming events. Okay. So just to keep everyone informed. So I think that'll do it. We got any more announcements? No? Okay. I think we are done and we can now give the benediction and put a button on it. Okay. I told you this was going to be quick. I keep my word up in this piece. So, with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, didn't I just tell you we got stuff to talk about? So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back. All right.